Hello, and welcome back to Mr. Q English Channel. I'm Jenny, and today we're talking about a very cool skill.
Hi everyone, I'm Ryan. We're talking about programming.
Specifically, how to set up your Windows development environment.
This is the first step for every future software engineer.
Many people think Windows is not good for coding, but that is not true anymore.
With the right tools, Windows is a powerhouse for developers.
Let's start from the beginning. First, you need a powerful text editor.
The most popular one is VS Code, or Visual Studio Code.
It is free, fast, and has thousands of extensions.
I love the extensions. They make coding so much easier.
Ryan, do you know what the terminal is?
Yes, it is that black window where you type commands.
In Windows, we have the command prompt in PowerShell.
But Microsoft released a new tool called Windows Terminal.
It is much better. You can have multiple tabs open at once.
Next, we need to install a package manager.
On Windows, Chocolatey or Winget are great choices.
They let you install software using just one command.
Now, let's talk about the big one, WSL, or Windows Subsystem for Linux.
WSL is amazing. It lets you run Linux inside Windows.
This is essential for web development and data science.
I use WSL to run Ubuntu. It feels like having two computers in one.
Now your environment is getting ready. But wait, what about the languages?
You need to install Python, Node.js, or maybe Java.
When you install them, don't forget to add to path.
If you forget that, the computer won't find the language.
Exactly, that is a very common mistake for beginners.
Let's talk about Git. You must have Git for version control.
Git helps you save different versions of your code.
It is like a time machine for your project.
And you should have a GitHub account to share your work.
GitHub is like social media for programmers. I love looking at other people's repositories.
Me too. It is a great way to learn new coding patterns. Ryan, what is your favorite theme for VS Code?
I always use dark mode. It is easier on my eyes.
Most programmers love dark mode. It looks very professional.
What about fonts? Do you like monospace fonts?
Yes. In a monospace font, every character has the same width.
This helps you align your code perfectly.
Now your environment is beautiful and functional.
But we need one more thing. Docker.
Docker lets you run your apps in containers.
It solves the problem. It works on my machine.
Haha, I've said that many times before.
Docker makes sure it works on every machine.
Setting all this up takes some patience.
Don't be afraid of error messages. They are just hints.
Read the error, search on Google, and find the fix.
That is 90% of a programmer's job.
Ryan, do you have any tips for beginners starting today?
Yes, keep your desktop clean and your folders organized.
Create a folder called Projects or Dev for all your code.
Don't just save everything on the desktop. It is a mess.
Also, learn the basic keyboard shortcuts.
Control-C to copy, Control-V to paste.
And Control-S to save your work constantly.
Saving is very important. You don't want to lose your code.
Coding is like a superpower. It lets you build anything.
I'm building a simple calculator right now.
That is a great start. Maybe one day you'll build the next big app.
Or the next great game. I love video games.
English is also essential because most documentation is in English.
That is why our fans are so smart for being here at Mr. Q English Channel.
They are learning the language of the future.
Let's review the main steps for our listeners.
1. Install VS Code and some cool extensions.
2. Set up the Windows terminal for your commands.
3. Install WSL if you want to use Linux tools.
4. Get a package manager like Winget.
5. Install your favorite languages and don't forget the path.
6. Use Git and GitHub to save and share your code.
And finally, keep practicing every single day.
Coding is a marathon, not a sprint.
Well said, Ryan. I'm very proud of our progress today.
Me too. I hope everyone feels ready to start coding.
If you have questions, leave them in the comments.
We might answer them in our next QTA episode.
Don't forget to like this video and subscribe.
It really helps Mr. Q English Channel to grow.
Tell us, what programming language do you want to learn?
Is it Python or JavaScript? We want to know.
We can't wait to see your comments.
Happy coding and happy learning, everyone.
Goodbye. See you in the next video.
Bye-bye. Stay tech savvy.
And stay curious. See you soon.
See ya.
Take care, programmers.
Ready to hit the keyboard. Let's go.